Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to remove your call history from your iPhone. Now this is a very simple tutorial. All you need to do is to go ahead and open up your log history. So this will be on your phone app right here. So go ahead and just open this up. Now you should be able to see all of your recent call history, where you can go ahead and see all of the calls that you have made and also the calls that you may have missed. Now to go ahead and remove each one, then all you need to do is to swipe from the right side going to the left on each individual one, and you should be able to see some form of trash icon. Now to go ahead and delete it, just go ahead and tap on this. But if you want to go ahead and delete everything, then all you need to do is to click on edit on the top left, and then you should be able to go ahead and select which iCloud or which one it is connected to. So I'm just going to click on select right here, and then this will go ahead and allow you to go ahead and delete each ones like so. Or if you want to go ahead and clear everything, there is that clear button on the top right, and then clear all recents right there. And there you go. I hope that you have found the tutorial useful. See you guys next time.